Hello friends, I'm Shreya. I will make a very beautiful flower necklace design through this video. And I have used off-white pearls and glass beads to make this necklace. I will give step-by-step details. Please watch the video until the end. I hope you will like this necklace design. First I took 8 pieces of 5 mm pearls. Now we are making a flower. For the necklace, I took 1 8 mm pearls. While making the flower, you will see the steps little better. This flower necklace will look very beautiful. Then I took 1 10 mm pearls, 3 5 mm pearls, another 10 mm pearls. Then took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls and 1 pieces of 10 mm pearls. I mention each steps through the text so that you have no difficulty in making it. Then we took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls. Then we took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls and 1 piece of 10 mm pearl. Then we took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls. Then we took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls and 1 piece of 10 mm pearl. Then we took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls. Then we took 3 pieces of 5 mm pearls and 1 piece of 10 mm pearl. In this same process, we will complete the flower. After the flower is completed, we will make the chain for the flower. First we will take 8 mm pearls, using 3 pieces of 8 mm pearls in a row. Then 2 8 mm pearls to make a line below it. Then take 1 6 mm pearls. Now it looks like a triangle. We will make the necklace based on the triangle. Now I will use 10 mm colorful glass beads. This necklace looks more beautiful because of using glass beads. I added it with a beautiful flower that I made. Again we added glass beads. I hope you like this video. Please like us for this video. We have added another triangle with the same. We will use 6 pearls. This time we will add the flower. Again using 6 pearls and add it with the triangle. For this necklace, we have made a triangle of 3 lines. So the chain number of the necklace will be 3. We will make another chain in the same way. We will also add a tassel in making this necklace. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment and support our jewelry channel by subscribing DiyArtiePie.